Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn more about shape tools and alignment tools. So first, we're going to create a frame. Select desktop. So here, let's choose a square. Let's choose a circle. And then it will be a color. Hold down your Alt key, duplicate that, duplicate one more, and one more. Then we can update the colors. Separate. So let's apply column grid so that we can have proper alignments and all that. So now the shape tools, just like what you said, give you option to draw different kind of shape and all that. So this is the first one. You can use it to draw a line as well. You can use it to draw a rectangle. You can use it to draw a line. So if you want your line to be straight, irrespective of the position you are drawing it, just select it and hold down your Shift key. Then you draw like this. If you want to draw it horizontally, hold down your Shift key as well and you draw horizontally. So that's how you can achieve that as well. So again, other tools are there, star, polygon, and all that. Let's assume you want to draw star, pick it and hold down your Shift key, then you drag. And when you drag it, you can increase the point of the star from here. So this 5-point star, you make it 6, or you reduce it and all that. It's going to update that. The same thing applies to the polygon. You can also have your polygon on a Shift key, drag it, and here you can also manipulate the number of sizes and all that. So that is how you can use the shape tool. So we're going to delete this, and this. So now let's explain alignment tool. Alignment tool is one of the features you can use to align your content to be properly positioned, irrespective of the gaps, spacing, and position of where they are. So for example, let's say we select this first shape here, and we want it to go to the left. I'm coming here to click on this left alignment. It's going to take it down to the left side of it. If I click on middle, it's going to bring it to the middle of the frame, respective to the previous position it was. Now I click here, it's going to bring it to the midpoint of the entire frame. If I click here, it will bring it down. If I click here, it's going to take it up. And if I click here, it's going to bring it to the center. It's already in the center. So this is how you can use the alignment tool in one element or one content. Now let's say we want to use two content. We're going to select these two content, hold down your Shift key, and select the two together. Now if you look at it carefully, they are not aligned, right? So let's say we want to align them horizontally. You just come here and click on this middle. You can see the two are now aligned horizontally. Now let's say you want to add one more to this group. So I'm going to click here and select it like this. So now we're going to hold down your Shift key, select the second one, and select the third one. Now if you look at it, the spacing between here and here is quite different, right? So this is where you can achieve that using the dimension, using this 3 dot that is here. Click on this 3 dot, then you come here and click either on tidy up or distribute horizontal spacing. Now if I click on distribute horizontal spacing, it's going to make the spacing between the element to be the same. And that time you can now see the spacing here is updated. I can now manipulate to the value I want and all that. So this is how you can do that using the alignment tool. Similarly, you can also use let's change it to vertical alignments. Let's say we have one more here, and one more here. So if I have my element like this, I can simply click here, drag to select all the images. Then I'm going to click on here to align them center. But here, if you look at it, the spacing, the vertical spacing is not still the same. I can come here and now say distribute vertical spacing. This way, the spacing between the elements is now the same, and I can also come here to make adjustments based on the spacing value I want. So this is how you can use the alignment tool irrespective of your design or whatever you are doing. So this is applicable to text, videos, and all that. So in the next video, we're going to see how to use more features.